Better Buckle Up by SuzieW. Illustration by Plainsight VFX. For Max, who hated his car seat. Mum wanted to drive to the shop, but Ollie didn't want to wear his seatbelt. Said Mum, when you get bigger, will you want to drive a racing car and whiz around a track? Ooh, yes I will. Then you'd better buckle up. Well, will you want to drive a fire engine and speed to roaring fires? Nee-naw, nee-naw. Yes, I will. Then you'd better buckle up. And will you want to fly an aeroplane and whoosh to far-off lands? Whee! Yes, I will. Then you'd better buckle up. Or will you want to drive a beach buggy and zip along the sands? Vroom! Yes, I will. Then you'd better buckle up. Maybe you'll want to drive a rocket and shoot up to the stars. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yes, I will. Better buckle up. Seatbelts keep you safe, said Mummy, whenever you ride. Then I'd better buckle up, said Ollie. Don't forget to buckle your seatbelt and stay safe.